Withdrawing money on Rogers 2026 can seem daunting for beginners, but it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully withdraw your funds. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Rogers 2026 website or open the app, then enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, look for the withdrawal option in the main menu or dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Choose your withdrawal method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Ensure that it does not exceed your available balance and meets any minimum withdrawal requirements. Step 5. Confirm your withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and method. Confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal process. You may receive a confirmation email or notification. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your chosen withdrawal method for the funds to arrive.